Okinawan purple sweet potatoes are packed with powerful plant chemicals, especially anthocyanins, known for their potential benefits in gut health and inflammation. Dr. William Lee, in his book Eat to Beat Disease, highlights these sweet potatoes for their anti-cancer properties, although most studies are still in the early stages, primarily conducted in labs or on animals. The research supporting these claims comes from Dr. Lee's Angiogenesis Foundation, which collaborated with Kansas State University on a project that bred high anthocyanin purple sweet potatoes. Lab tests showed that pigments from these potatoes can inhibit the growth of colon cancer cells and demonstrate strong antioxidant activity, reinforcing their classification as anti-angiogenic foods that may help cut off cancer's blood supply. Nutritionally, Okinawan purple sweet potatoes are rich in anthocyanins, dietary fiber, vitamin C, and essential micronutrients. Their anthocyanin content can rival that of other superfoods like blueberries, contributing to their impressive antioxidant capacity and overall health benefits. Furthermore, studies indicate that the polyphenols in these sweet potatoes can positively affect gut health by promoting beneficial bacteria and increasing the production of short-chain fatty acids. This helps maintain a healthier gut environment and may reduce harmful gut bacteria. Incorporating Okinawan purple sweet potatoes into your diet is easy. In Okinawa, they are often steamed or boiled and served with vegetables and soy foods, which may contribute to the region's longevity. When using them at home, opt for whole fresh roots labeled Okinawan sweet potato to ensure you're getting the real health benefits.
Okinawan purple sweet potatoes are rich in special plant chemicals, especially anthocyanins, that have been studied for gut health, inflammation, and anti-cancer activity, which is why they show up in Dr. William Lee's work and Eat to Beat Disease. The science is real, but it is early and mostly lab animal and microbiome studies, so they are best thought of as a powerful health food, not a standalone cure, where Dr. Lee's research comes from. Dr. Lee, ES Foundation, the Angiogenesis Foundation, highlights a Kansas State University project that bred a very high anthocyanin purple sweet potato and tested its anti-cancer, anti-angiogenic properties in colon cancer cells. In that work, pigments like cyanidin and peonidin from purple sweet potato inhibited the growth of human colon cancer cells in the lab and showed strong antioxidant and anti-angiogenic activity, which is why Dr. Lee classifies them as anti-angiogenic foods that may help starve cancers of blood supply. Key nutrients in Okinawan purple sweet potato. Purple sweet potatoes are high in anthocyanins, the deep purple pigment, total polyphenols, dietary fiber, vitamin C, manganese, and other micronutrients. Analyses show their anthocyanin levels can rival or exceed other purple superfoods like blueberries and red grapes, which explains their strong antioxidant capacity. Gut health and microbiome benefits. Human and in vitro microbiome studies show purple sweet potato polyphenols can change the colonic microbiota, increasing beneficial bacteria like Bifidobacterium and Lactobacillus enterococcus and boosting short-chain fatty acid (SCFA) production, which supports colon health. Purple sweet potato components have also been reported to reduce putrefactive gut metabolites, for example P-cresol, and show antimicrobial effects against problematic GI bacteria such as certain Clostridium and Prevotella species, helping maintain a healthier gut environment. Anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory properties. Extracts from purple-fleshed sweet potatoes have shown the ability in lab studies to inhibit the growth of breast, colon, and stomach cancer cell lines in a dose and time-dependent way, linked to their anthocyanins and other phenolic compounds. Separate research on purple sweet potatoes indicates their anthocyanins can act as anti-angiogenic agents and may even target colon cancer stem cells, which is exactly the mechanism Dr. Lee talks about when he lists purple sweet potatoes as cancer-fighting foods. How to use them in everyday eating. In Okinawa, a blue zone, purple sweet potatoes are a staple carb, often steamed, boiled, or baked and eaten with vegetables and soy foods, not with heavy processed fats, which may contribute to their association with longevity and low chronic disease rates. For your own routine, using them as your main starch at a meal, instead of white bread, fries, etc., with the skin on when possible, maximizes fiber and polyphenols and fits well with the eat to beat disease idea of stacking colorful, plant-forward foods for your defenses. Now keep in mind there are fake purple sweet potatoes, so know what you're actually buying so you can get the real health benefits. Look at the skin. Beige, tan. Skin plus purple flesh. Usually Okinawan. Purple skin plus purple flesh. Often Stokes or Molokai, not Okinawan, but still a real purple sweet potato. Read the label. Whole fresh root labeled Okinawan sweet potato, or Beni Imo. Intikatin, with no added colors, is what you want. Packaged oob or purple products should list the root, sweet potato, or yam, first, not sugar, dyes, or artificial color.